So here we have the Honda Jazz 1.4 EX automatic on a 15 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have plenty of boot space along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. The seats are in wonderful condition. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start off with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, we have the speedometer in the middle, and then on the far right-hand side, we have not only the fuel gauge, but it will show you what gear we're in there. So you can see the P for park, reverse, neutral, drive, sport. It shows you every gear that the car could be in up on there. You can also see in the centre, the total miles on this car are 18,773. There's various different bits of fuel economy information available up there as well, just by pushing different buttons on the steering wheel, should you wish to. Backing out to the steering wheel, on the left-hand side we have stereo controls, the ability to answer and end phone calls. On the right-hand side we have cruise control and the buttons I was using for the trip computer on there as well. The main stereo unit over in the centre houses the CD player, the radio, FM and AM you can see there, and you can change between CD player and the USB input by hitting that button just there to listen to your own music should you wish to. Working our way across from there, we have the climate control. So you can see the temperature displayed inside this box just here. You can adjust that up or down with these buttons. Fan speed is adjustable up and down from these buttons. Then simply hit this button to turn the air conditioning on or off, so it's on at the moment or off again. Or you can hit auto and the car will maintain, in this case, 21 degrees for you by taking control of the fan speed itself, and you can override that at any point in time you wish to by readjusting the fan speeds to your liking. In the centre here, we then have the heated rear screen and heated mirrors. We can recirculate the air that's in the car or let fresh air come in from outside. That will divert the car's air conditioning to the front screen, or you can turn that system back off so that you go back to your normal settings. And then underneath that we have a 12-volt power socket and the USB input, and then the fully automatic CVT gearbox. Okay, so the last thing I want to talk about is the panoramic glass roof on this car. So it's an electric blind. Just hit one button and that will open all the way to the back of the rear seat, and you can see that lets it in a huge amount of extra light into the cabin, makes it feel a lot bigger.